right, so let's take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Now we're going to do a little bend. So I want you to put your hands on your legs and slide down a little and then round your back and stand up. So let those hands slide down, round your back and up. Now roll your shoulders back. Let's take them up and back and forward. And we'll shrug. Let your hands press down, lift and press. One more, up and down. Now I just want to remind you that I'm going to give you options for doing these exercises from the chair. If at some point you can't figure out how to adapt an exercise for the chair and I haven't given you anything specific to do, just move yourself forward from the back of the chair and march, adding arm movements as you can. Stay moving and we'll get back to things that will be easier for you to do in the chair. All right, so we're going to take the hands together. I'd like you to take them over your head and we're going to make a big circle all the way around and now go the opposite direction. And again, around and around. Now take them over your head, bring them between your knees, bend your knees a little bit and lift up and down and lift up. One more, down and lift up. Now take them outside your right leg, bend your knees, and up over your opposite shoulder. And down and up. One more, down and up. And now outside your left leg, over your right shoulder, down and up. One more time, down and up. Now put your arms right in front. Press out in front of you and turn to your right. And around to the left. Go back to the right. And one more time left. And now come back to center and let's roll the shoulders out again and forward. All right, now we're going to start doing some movement here. So we're going to press up overhead and lift the alternating knees. If you want to hold on for this, put your hand down, lift one hand for the knees. But if you can stand up without holding on, we're going to lift both arms up. All right, let's press up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I'd like you to press your arms back as you bring your heels forward. So press right, left for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now lift your arms in front as you press your toes back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now to the side, tap 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right, we're going to do those again. So press up with your knees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms forward, toes back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now arms back, heels forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now out to the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, And last one. All right, good. Roll those shoulders out. Hands on the hips. Circle your hips in each direction. Do it again. All right, good. Now, I'd like you to take those arms and reach up and then go gently toward the floor. Do it again. Reach up and gently toward the floor. All right, now we're going to do our squats. If you are in the chair, you're going to march with one leg at a time. So sit without touching the back of the chair. The knee comes up repeatedly, and again, you don't want to touch that floor if you can help it. Stay upright. When we get to a pulse, kick out and in. Now, you can do a squat without holding on as long as you can maintain good form, which means weight in the heels. Don't let the knees come forward, but it does help, makes a big difference to hold on to something, a counter, sink, or a chair. So let's get started. We're going to go down for 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold it down. And we're going to pulse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Hands on the hips, do that circle again. And back to your position and squat 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stay down, and pulse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. All right, let's circle it out again. All right, we're going to do more, but first of all, let's do some leg lifts. So I want you to stand up, and we're going to take that right leg out. Now you want to stay upright, turn the toe either straight forward or slightly in. Let's do the right leg. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we'll do the other leg. And out 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now you have that movement in place. Let's add it to your squat. So we're going to take the leg out and squat, other leg out and squat. All right, let's go. Right leg out, squat, left leg, and squat. Right, down, left, and down. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Now stay down here. And let's pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. All right, good. Okay, we're going to do some arm movements for a few minutes. I'm going to get a drink of water. So get your light weights. And we're going to do some shoulders. So I want you to do this combination with me. We're going to lift front, side, and press back. When you press back, pull those shoulder blades together. All right, lift front, lateral raise, and press back. Front, side, and back. Front, side, back. Front, side, and back. 4 more. 4, out, and back. 3, out, and back. 2, out, back. Last one, out, and back. All right, good. Now, put your hands in on your legs. So turn your fingers toward you. Alternate a lift to your chest. All right, here we go. Right, left for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now lift them together for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, put one of those weights down. Now we're going to combine those last 2 exercises that we've done, the leg lift and the arm movement. Please hold on as you need to for this exercise. And you're going to put the weight in the right hand, and we're going to lift that, and the opposite leg goes out to the side. Now I'm going to move the chair so you can see what I'm doing, but hold it right in front of you or at a counter. All right, let's go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now switch sides. Left arm, right leg. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. All right, put your weight down. We're going to do some more squats. So get yourself back into position. And we're going to do the combination leg lift and squat. So we'll start with the right leg out, down in a squat, left leg, squat. Go right, down, left, down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and down. All right, good. Okay, we're about ready to do push-ups. So why don't you get some water again? And we'll talk about push-ups for a minute. If you're in the chair, you want to bring yourself to a counter or wall so you can put your hands at chest height and lean your upper body in and press back. If you're standing, again, it can be the wall with your hands at shoulder height or a counter, kitchen sink, something stable. You can also use the chair. The chair gives you a chance to have a bit more extension, a longer lever, as they say, which adds challenge to it. All right, so we're going to get into position and go down 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Now stretch yourself back. And let's do another set of push-ups. Go down 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now this time hold yourself down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And stretch. All right, good. Have a seat in the chair. We'll take a little time to sit. But before you hit the chair, let's stop right there. So you want to hold yourself just off the chair. Don't sit down, right there. And now reach up and stand up. All right, sit back down, but don't stop. And up. Do it again, down. Sit back as if you're going to sit on that chair, but get up again. 3 more times, down. Hover right over the seat and up. 2 more times. Don't sit down and up. And 1 more. Hold it there and up. And now you can sit down. All right. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of a quadricep lift. So we're going to lift the right leg, kick it out, bring it in, tap the toe. So lift it up, kick it out, in, tap. Lift, kick, in, tap. Lift, kick, in, tap. Up, out, in, down. 8, down. 7, down. 6, down. 5, kick, down. 4, kick, down. 3, kick, down. 2, kick, and last one, lift, kick, in and down. Bring that beside you. Stretch that quadricep a few seconds. All right, let's do the other leg. So lift, kick, in, tap, up, kick, in, tap, up, kick, in, tap, out, and in. There are 8, kick, in, tap, 7, down. 6, down. 5, down. 4, down. 3, down. 2, and last one, and down. Now bring that toe beside you, stretch that for a minute. All right, let's do the inner thigh. So get your pillow or ball, whatever you're going to use for that. And today we're going to add shoulders. So I want you to take your arms out with your palms up. Now what you're doing with your legs is you're going to squeeze that pillow between your legs. We're working the inner thigh muscles. And I want you to try to use both legs equally, in and out. And with the arms up in place, we're going to do little circles with the hands right here. All right, so let's squeeze 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, now hold it in as tightly as you can and take those palms and pat toward the ceiling for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. All right, now we're going to take the arms out with the palms down, and we're going to circle them back as we do the knees, in and out. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold it in tightly and take those hands, pat toward the floor. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, and release. All right, let's hold the knees in tightly again. Put your hands on your shoulders. Now we're going to go in and out with the knees actually. So I want you to squeeze, bring the elbows together and release. All right, here we go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold it in as tightly as you can and take those elbows and circle 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it there, release your knees a little bit and squeeze again. Reverse that elbow circle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. All right, let's put that down. Okay, we have not done jumping jacks for a while, so I could say the ABCs in French, but that's probably not a good idea. If you can do that, please do in honor of Bastille Day, but I will stick with English because I'm much less embarrassing that way. So for your jumping jack, we're going to throw arms and legs out. Any movement you've got is what we're looking for, and we will say the ABCs as we do it, adding on ampersand and asterisk. All right, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, ampersand, asterisk. Excellent. All right, put your hands on your knees and we're going to round that back away. And then press down, sit up straight. Round your back toward the back of the chair and sit up. One more time. Round it back and up. All right, good. We're going to do some balance now. We're going to do standing balance, but if you are seated to work on your balance in the chair, you're going to lift one foot up off the floor, and for this, lift the same arm. So it's going to throw you a little bit off balance and challenge you some. And then lift the other side, lift the other foot and arm. Now to take this a little further, you're going to, as you lift up, lift your glutes up off the chair. So you're really leaning. And the same thing here, lift up. And you can also reach across, pull up even more. And the same thing. So you can work on your balance that way. But if you can stand up to do your balance, let's stand up. And I'd like you to get a light weight. So the first thing we're going to do is to take that right heel and put it at the left toe. So this is your classic balance position because you don't have as wide a stance to support you. So let's get comfortable with this. The weight is in your right hand. Just sort of ignore it for the moment and feel how this is, letting go if you can. Now what I want you to do is we're going to press that weight forward and then take it around to the side and back and down. Now, a real challenge with your balance in this position is to let your eyes track where the weight is going. And also, of course, if you can do it without holding on, but that's really quite a challenge. So we're going to press out and then take the weight out to the side as you stand up and bring it back and down. All right, reach forward, take the weight out, bring it back and down. Do it again. Up, to the side, to the front, and down. 2 more times. Up, to the side, and front, and down. Now up, side, front, and down. All right, now I'd like you to find a position where you can do this, if you can do it without holding on, for 10 seconds. And you can try to close your eyes, but be safe. All right, so let's do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, switch to the other side. So your left heel goes at the front of the right toe. You're in this staggered stance. It looks like this. And the weight is in your left hand. And now you're going to reach front and then out to the side and back and down. So front, side, and down. Again, front, side, and down. 3 more times. Front, side, and down. 2, out, and down. Last one. Front, out, and down. Now, again, find the position where you can hold this for 10 seconds. Close your eyes if you can. Let go if you can. And we'll hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, good. Now, keep this weight. You can use this exercise as a continuation of your balance, or just think of it as the oblique exercise. So we're going to hold it with both hands, bend the knees a little bit, lift up over the opposite shoulder. Now, optionally, you take that leg out. Obviously, that isn't necessary. We're doing this lift. All right, so outside the right, up over the shoulder, and down, and lift up. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right, do it on the other side. Even if you were able to lift the leg on that side and don't feel you can do it on the other one, that's fine. So down, lift up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, good. Let's switch to heavy weights. We'll do some bicep curls. Okay, I'd like to add the alternating front heel press with this. So we're going to curl right and put that left heel out, and then left and put the right heel out. All right, let's do it. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. And now curl them together for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now turn your fingers forward. This time we're going to alternate with the toe pressing back. So right, press back, and left. All right, let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now curl together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. All right, loosen it up a little bit. Now I want to do the cross the body bicep curl. So take the right arm out, you're going to bring it across towards your opposite shoulder. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now left arm out and across. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And roll your shoulders out. Now I want to do one more set where we combine curling and then pressing back. So curl it up, bring it down, push back, shoulder blades together. So up, down, press back, up, and press for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last one, and press back. All right, put those weights down. We're going to move on to calf lifts now. So find a stable point. If you are in the chair, just lift up on your toe and push up with the toe. And you can then rock back and lift the toe. So we want to lift up and back. All right, so hold on. We're coming up on the toes and then back and lift the toes. Up and back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, and back. All right. Okay, we're going to do triceps now. So we're going to do kickbacks. You can do this standing or seated. So get your light weights. If you're going to stand, you have these options of position. Feet hip width apart, lifting up, pressing back. Remember, the upper arm stays stable, or in a staggered stance, pressing back. If you're going to sit, you want to be forward on the chair, leaning from the hip with the arms up and pressing back. All right, choose your position. Let's hinge over, lift up those arms and press 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, pause for a moment, loosen your shoulders. Come back into position and press 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, and up. All right, good. Now, while we have these light weights, I want to do some flies. So we're going to take them out to the side and bring them together in front of your chest. Now what I'd like to do is add abdominals to this, but it's not necessary. You can sit up and do this. But if you want to try it, you're going to lean back, don't touch the back of the chair, and arms are out, and as you come up, bring those weights center. All right, let's do it. We're going to do 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. All right, good. Let's loosen up the shoulders. And I'd like to do that again. So let's start back here and come up for 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, and roll it out. Now, while we have these, before we start rowing, let's do a little warm-up row with the weights and abdominals. So hold them here, press out. Now bring it back. Don't touch the back of the chair. Press out and bring it back. We'll do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold it back here. Bring the weights to the chest. Don't touch that chair, and hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's switch to your heavy weights. Now, once again, if you want to row from a standing position, you have those same options. You can be here, pulling up, or in a staggered stance, pulling up. If you want to be in the chair, we're going to do the same thing where we hinge at the hips, arms down. You're going to pull those elbows up, squeezing the shoulder blades together. All right, start here, pull up 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, pause for a moment. And now fingers toward the ceiling, come forward, pull up 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And sit up and pause, loosen your shoulders. Now let's go ahead and shrug and down, lift, down, one more up and down. Now side bend over to your right, really feel that stretch, and up and over to the left and up. All right, we're going to do the rowing again. So we'll start with the fingers toward the ceiling, hinge at the hips, and up 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now fingers center and up and back 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, put those weights down. Okay, we're going to just relax for a moment and then do our final lifting. So I want you to put your arms out to the side, and we're going to reach out to the right and up and left and up. Take it to the right and left. Now do that again, and this time purposely lift up off the chair. So lift up, you can lift the foot up too, and come back and over, lift up and back to the right, lift up and left and lift. All right, good. Now we're going to do our leg lifts, and you can do this adding a weight if you want to, or just do it with your hands together. So take your right leg out, and if you're still standing, have a seat. All right, let's lift up and down 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, on 1, hold it up, curl and kick, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's switch to the other leg. Arms out, lift them together. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold it up, curl and kick. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now take your hands over your left shoulder. We're coming down to the right knee. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now leg out, arms out, and take them in opposite directions. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, from your right shoulder to your left knee, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now arms and leg out, opposite directions. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, very good. Okay, let's stretch your back again before we move into the regular stretch. Hands on your knees, round your back toward the back of the chair. Press and sit up. Round it back and up. One more time, back and up. Now, shake your arms out, roll your shoulders back, and do a butterfly stroke forward. Do that again. Shake them out, roll them back, and stroke forward. For our stretch, we'll start with the right leg out. Going to put the hands together, and from the hip, I want you to come stretch down in the direction of that right foot. We're going to hold the stretches 10 seconds. Count for yourself. You don't have to listen to me, and we'll go through this series on both legs. All right, hands together. Now come down, find your stretch toward that right leg, and count for yourself. All right, now press that toe down to the floor. Stretches your shin. Now pump it up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to keep it up, working on the ankle flexibility. Take it side to side. And for coordination, take your hands in the opposite directions for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. With your foot up, we're coming down again from the hip and going in the direction of the outside of the leg. Count for yourself. All right, now for your inner thigh stretch, turn your toe out to the side or just reach toward the inside of the leg. Okay, bring your toe upright again, press the toe down, and now bring it back as far as you can and still maintain contact between your heel and the floor. Just stretch your calf. Bring that toe beside you for your quadricep stretch. Now you can just keep the toe on the floor or you can hold on to the leg and take the opposite arm and reach forward. All right, we're going to take the right ankle onto the left knee or cross at your knees or the ankles, and from the hip, bend forward. Now make a tight cross with those knees. Put your left hand on that right leg, make a circle with that right arm, and turn and look behind you. All right, come back. Now let's do the other leg. Take that leg out, hands together. Once again, hinge at the hip and bend toward that foot. And sit up, press that toe to the floor to stretch your shin. And let's press it up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now heel on the floor and opposite direction, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Now keep your toe straight up, hinge at the hips, and come to the outside of the leg. And inner thigh, turn the toe out or reach to the inside of the leg. Count for yourself. All right, good. Press that toe straight down. Bring it back as far as you can, maintaining contact between your heel and the floor. Bring the toe beside you, quadricep stretch. Leave the toe down or hold on to it and take the opposite arm and reach forward. All right, good. Now cross at your ankles, your knees, or bring the ankle up on the knee and gentle bend from the hip forward. And make a tight cross with those legs. Put your right hand on the left leg, circle the left arm, and turn and look behind you. All right, good. Let's face forward again. And shake your arms out. Roll your shoulders back and bring them forward. Do that again. Loosen it up. Shake. Roll them back and forward. Now interlace your hands. Press straight out. Make sure those shoulders are away from your ears. As you press forward, push the elbows out to the side and then bring your chin down to your chest. Look ahead again, arms out, hands, arms, and head to the right. Come through center to your left. Now go back to your right, turn your head to the left, and back to the right. Hands, arms, and head to the left. Turn your head right, and back to the left. Now come to center. We're going to do a gentle bend down, and I want you to lift as high as you can. If you stop here, bend at the elbows and out. If you go up, bring the hands behind the head and up. All right, let's go down. Lift to your extension, and bend and straighten. Down, lift up, bend and straighten. Now bring your hands back to the front. We're going to take them outside the right leg. Lift and look up to the left. Down again. Lift and look up. Hands outside the left leg. Lift and look up to the right. And down. Lift and look up. All right, good. Let's relax here and shrug your shoulders. Press down, lift, and press. One more, lift and press. Now take your right arm up, side bend to your left. At center, let your left ear lean to your left shoulder and press down with the right palm. Now left arm up, side bend right. Right ear to the right shoulder, press down with the left palm. All right, let's relax the hands at center. Bring your chin down close to your chest. Keeping your chin down, let it circle up to the right shoulder. And bring it all the way across your chest, up to the left. Bring it down again, up to the right. And one more time, up to the left. Now bring your head to center, look straight ahead. Turn your head, look as far as you can to the right. And bring your head through center, look left. And look straight ahead. Take a deep breath and exhale. All right, be safe, be well. Thank you for being here. I'll see you next time.